Try to determine, are these functions inverses or not? Yeah, now technically, to prove that two functions are inverses, you should check both arrangements, f of g and g of f. Alright, so we want to do f of g of x first. If you want, you could rewrite this as f of whatever formula they're saying g of x equals. So they're saying g of x is this, so you just have to put that into the parentheses, if that helps. And they also have a formula for f. Now, if they had said find f of x, that would be easy. They just gave us that formula. It's x cubed minus 5 according to this. Now, if they had said, what's f of apple? Then that would be apple cubed minus 5. But what we're doing is plugging one function into another. So we're finding this, f of cube root of x plus 5. All we need to do is put parentheses where the variable was in the original. So see right there, there was a something cubed minus 5. It's not apple, but it's this formula. So that's what needs to go in the parentheses. Now we would try to algebraically simplify and see if we can get it down to just x, if possible. So a cube root and a cube are inverses of each other. They would cancel. So this would then become x plus 5 minus 5. And then the 5s would cancel, leaving us with just x. So that's good. Now let's go on to the next part. Let's find the reverse, g of f of x. So g of x, they gave a formula for it. It's cubed root of x plus 5. Now if they had said find g of apple, it would have been cubed root of apple plus 5. But what we need to do is find g of f of x. In other words, g of this. G of x cubed minus 5. So that's going to be a cube root of something plus 5. So what is that something? It's what's in green here. It's this. That's what goes in the parentheses. So we gotta do the order of operations here. We gotta do what's inside the radical first. Gotta do that before doing the radical. So minus 5 and plus 5 cancel out. That leaves us with the cubed root of just x cubed. And those cancel out, leaving us with, once again, just x. So both ways, we found that f of g of x is x and g of f of x is x. So therefore, they're inverses of each other.